Hello, good evening and welcome back to my channel. Hello BookTube, how are you? I'm going to be doing an unboxing today of my fresh fiction box. It's a monthly subscription box and it is, you get 5 to 7 books, 5 to 7 books and 1 and 2 little bookish cutie. We got one of this last month, so here's another one, another bookmark from Harlequin. It's the Harlequin feeling, and this might be, it says share love again, and on the back is all the information from the box, all the social media that the box is on, and that's that one. And this is how the inside of the box looks each month that it comes with a wrapper. There is a packet of stash tea. These are very good tea. I enjoy these each month when they come. And normally, as I said, it's 5 to 7 books. Normally, you would get two ebooks along with it. So this month, let me show you. It's 4 books. 4 books this month. It's a little bit out. So and we got some candy cane and a biscuit. And a biscuit. Alright. So let me quickly tell you the books that came this month. From Jana McGregor, The Good, the Bad, and the Duke. The Good, the Bad, and the Duke. A lady with a noble mission, a duke looking for redemption, a forbidden love that cannot be denied. That's The Good, the Bad, and the Duke. Next one out is a Harlequin Special Edition, A Sheriff's Star. And this one is by McKenna Lee. It was only supposed to be a temporary home. When Police Chief Anson Curry returns a lost little girl to her frantic mother, his only goal is to ease the single mom's anxiety. But it doesn't take long for Tess Harper's amazing child to have Anson wrapped around her little finger. Yes, A Sheriff's Star by McKenna Lee. And this is an advanced reader copy from Jana McGregor again, Wild Rape. And this one comes out, is on sale February the 20th. That's Wild Rape from Jana McGregor. And the most sweeping, emotional, witty, and sharp romance in the Caversham Aries series. That's Wild Rape from Jana McGregor. The cover is really pretty. I love this purple cover. And this is the Caversham Aries series that she has going. I might have a couple of books in this because I think I'm not sure of a green book over there that might be from Jana McGregor. So the final book out is The Key to Love by Betsy St. Amant. Love doesn't always look the way we expect. The only thing Brie Duval loves more than baking is romance. So much so that she created her own version of the famous Parisian love lock wall. At the brewery where she works in Story, Kansas. She never expects a video involving the wall to go viral or for Trek magazine to send travel writer Gerald Fortier to feature the bakery. He's definitely handsome, but Brie has been holding out for an epic love story like the one her parents have, and that certainly will not include the love-scorning Gerard. Alright, so this is Betsy St. Amant, The Key to Love. Alrighty. So those are all the books that came this month in my fresh fiction box. As I said, it's a monthly subscription. I'll leave all the information down in the bottom if you'd like to pick up this book. I hope you all had a fabulous Thanksgiving and you are getting all set for the Christmas month that is coming up. I will try, as I said, I'm trying to post more videos. So I'll be doing one today. This is the 1st of December as it is. So I'll try and do 2 more for this week, maybe 3 more for this week. Ooh, look at me with big plans. All right, so I'll catch you next time on my other video. Be well, be blessed. See you next time. Be blessed.